Essential survival gear and gadgets encompass a wide array of tools designed to ensure preparedness in challenging situations, from multi-purpose knives and fire starters to water filtration systems and compact shelters. These items prioritize functionality and portability. Tailored for outdoor adventures, emergencies, or wilderness survival, these gadgets provide essential resources for sustaining life, promoting safety, and enabling self-sufficiency in unexpected or adverse conditions. I included all the link in video description below. Let's dive in. Number 3. Platypus quickdraw microfilter system is a versatile and efficient water filtration system designed for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers. This compact and lightweight system allows users to quickly and easily filter water from various sources, ensuring access to clean drinking water in the backcountry. The quickdraw microfilter system features a hollow fiber filter that removes bacteria, protozoa, and particulates, providing reliable filtration for up to 3 liters per minute. The filter is highly effective, meeting the industry standard for water filtration by removing 99% of bacteria and 99.9% of protozoa. The system's design incorporates a unique quick-draw reservoir, which features a wide mouth for easy filling and a convenient handle for comfortable carrying. The reservoir has a 1.0-liter capacity and is made from durable and taste-free materials that do not impart any unwanted flavors to the filtered water. The microfilter system also includes a universal bottle adapter, allowing users to connect the filter directly to most standard water bottles for on-the-go filtration. The system's compatibility extends to hydration bladders and gravity systems, providing flexibility for different water filtration needs. Additionally, the filter is field cleanable and can be backflushed to maintain optimal performance throughout extended trips. The Platypus quick-draw microfilter system offers a reliable and efficient solution for obtaining safe drinking water in the outdoors. Its compact size, lightweight design, and versatile compatibility make it an excellent choice for backpacking, camping, and hiking adventures where access to clean water is crucial. Number 2. Survive Outdoors Longer Emergency Bivvy is a compact and lightweight emergency shelter designed to keep adventurers safe and protected in unexpected survival situations. Constructed from durable and heat-reflective material, this bivvy is designed to retain and reflect body heat, providing warmth and insulation in harsh conditions. With its bright orange color and reflective logo, it also aids in visibility, making it easier for rescuers to locate individuals in need of assistance. The emergency bivvy is both waterproof and windproof, ensuring protection from the elements, and its sealed seams provide additional durability and resistance to water ingress. The bivvy is incredibly lightweight and compressible, making it easy to carry in a backpack or emergency kit without adding significant weight. It features a drawstring hood and a side zipper for easy entry and exit, allowing for quick deployment when needed. The Survive Outdoors Longer Emergency Bivvy is an essential piece of gear for hikers, backpackers, and outdoor enthusiasts, providing peace of mind in case of unexpected emergencies. It is designed to be reusable, allowing for multiple uses and ensuring long-lasting durability. Whether you find yourself stranded in the wilderness or caught in a sudden storm, this emergency bivvy offers a reliable shelter option to help you maintain body heat and increase your chances of survival until help arrives. Number 1. Holtzman's Gorilla Survival Camping Knife with Sheat is a robust and versatile tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. This camping knife boasts a durable and high-quality construction, making it suitable for a wide range of outdoor tasks and demanding conditions. The blade is made from premium stainless steel, ensuring excellent strength, corrosion resistance, and edge retention. With a length of 4.5 inches, the blade strikes a balance between versatility and maneuverability, allowing for precise cutting, slicing, and even light chopping. The knife features a full tang design, meaning the blade extends through the handle, providing added durability and stability. The handle itself is crafted from textured G10 material, offering a secure and comfortable grip, even in wet or slippery conditions. The knife comes with a tactical sheath made from rugged nylon, which features a belt loop for convenient and secure carry. The sheath also includes a built-in sharpener, ensuring that the blade can be easily maintained and sharpened in the field. Additionally, the sheath has a pouch for storing small essentials such as fire starters, fishing hooks, or a compass. Whether you're camping, hiking, or engaging in survival situations, Holtzman's Gorilla Survival Camping Knife with Sheath is a dependable and versatile tool that will assist you in various outdoor tasks. Its durability, ergonomic design, and convenient sheath make it a reliable companion for any adventure.